Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome back to Code with Nani channel. So today we're going to discuss lead code problem of the day, which is divide array into equal parts. So you are given an integer nums consisting of 2 into n integer. So where basically we'll be having a 2n integers. You need to divide nums into n pairs. So as we have a 2n integers, we can divide into n pairs, right? So pair means it's a set of two values. Okay. So each element belongs exactly one pair. So if a value, suppose if value is 3, it should be only belongs to a specific pair. It shouldn't be like into a some other pairs as well. Suppose if we have a two three three to three pair three values. So if we make a pair 3 comma 3 and another 3 left side, right? So we cannot make that 3 into some other pair with some other values. So that's what I was saying. The element present in a pair are equal. So we can only pair two elements if they are equal. So that's the condition as well. Return true if nums can be divided into n pairs, otherwise will return false. So so where basically they were saying is, suppose if we have elements like this. Okay, suppose we have elements 3 2 3 2 4 5, something like this. So what they are trying to say is, as it is a 3 6 elements, which is 2 into n pairs, 6 elements, right? So 2 into n elements, that is 6, because as size is 6, that's what I was saying. In the nums of size is 2n equal to 6, n means 3. So we need to make 3 pairs. So where in each pair the value should be equal. Suppose if we are making a pair with 4, another element should also be with a 4. Suppose now I'll take 3. Okay, the pair should also, both the elements should be equal, 3 comma 3. So this 3 is done, this 3 is done. Okay, next 2 comma 2, this 2 also done. And now we cannot make 4 comma 5. What they're trying to say is the numbers should be equal, and a number shouldn't pair with some other element. So here this is not possible. And as you observe, we don't have a 4 value to pair with, so we directly return false. Another case if we have a 2 2 2 2 2 2, something like this. So what we can pair? 2 comma 2, this is one pair. Another pair, 2 comma 2, this is one pair. Another pair, 2 comma 2. So if we carefully observe, if the frequency is odd, in this case the frequency of 4 is odd, because we only have 4 repeated one time. In that case, if any element, even like if we have a 4 twice, then we'll pair 4 with twice, but we have only one 5, so 5 is not paired. So even we have a single element with odd frequency, then in that case we can directly return false. And if I have all the numbers with an even frequency, if we have all the numbers with even frequency, suppose in this case we only have a 2, but it has a even frequency, which is it is repeated 6 times, so we can pair 2 twice. Okay, in that case return true. So why only even frequency? Because in a pair there must be two elements, right? In a pair there must be two elements, which is x comma y. So in order to make all the pairs with the same value, if it is even number, it can be divisible by 2, right? Suppose if it is 8, it can be divisible by 2, so we can make 4 pairs, right? So that's the reason we are checking with the even number. So if it is an even pair, then if all the elements is an even pair, we will return true, or else we'll return false. So let's just code it, guys. So to check the frequency of an each element, what we will use? We will use hash map. I'm just using a map. You can use ordered or unordered map. It's up to you, but I generally use unordered map, as we don't require any particular order here, so we can use unordered map, where it is int comma int mp. So I'm just iterating through this map. I'm putting it in a showing in a map. Now we'll check we'll check in the map for each key, if the frequency, if I dot first will be the key, the value of that element. I dot second will be the frequency of that particular element. So if it is an odd, what is AND operation does. So if any number AND 1 means if it is an even it returns 2, if it is odd it returns 0. So if we are making AND with 1, so if it is even then if will be executed. If it is an odd, so if it is AND with 1 which means it is an odd. So if any number has 1 will just return false. Or you can even use this as well for to check whether it's a even number or not, equal to 0 that case, but I generally tend to use this bit operation. If it is an odd will return false. If none of them element returns false, which means all the elements of the frequency are even, in that case return true. Let's just run the code. Oh sorry, here nums, right? We are iterating through the nums array, and let's just submit the code. Voila, it's submitted. And the time and space complexity of the solution is, as we are only iterating through the loop once, here it will be of n plus O of n, which is still O of n time, and space complexity will be, we are using another data structure which is map to hold all the integers, so it is O of n as well. So time and space will be O of n. And that's it for today video, guys. So if you like my explanation, and if you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so if you have any queries regarding my explanation or regarding the code, do put it in the comment section, so I'll help you out, guys. And that's it for today, guys. See you, tata, bye bye. See you tomorrow with a great content. Bye bye.